Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a tasty and healthy sweet potato paratha which is easy to prepare and can be used for dinner as well as breakfast. I hope you like this recipe and let's get started with the ingredients required. First of all, I took coriander leaves, then ginger green chili crushed which is around 1 teaspoon size, then turmeric around half teaspoon, then red chili powder around 1 teaspoon, then pepper which is around half teaspoon. Then I took sweet potato, here I am taking around 250 grams. You can take more if you want more quantity. Then I am taking 100 grams of atta or wheat powder. First of all, we need to cook the sweet potato. So here I am adding the sweet potato to a pressure cooker, and I'll also be adding sufficient amount of water to cook it. Then I'll cook it until I can smash the sweet potato almost like a paste form. Now let's prepare the dough. For preparing the dough, we'll take the flour and add spices, all the spices that we took to it, and we'll be mixing it well. For the coriander leaves, it's better to make it crush properly, otherwise it will become big pieces while making the paratha, so it's better to be crushed. And after adding all the spices and the coriander leaves to it, I'll be mixing it well. Here you can increase the amount of chili added to it depending on how spicy you want the paratha to be. If you want it to be more spicy, you can add more chili. Also for the case of salt also, if you want it to be a bit more salty, you can add more salt. Here I'm adding a little bit chili powder extra to it because I want it to be more spicy. So if you want to be more spicy, you can add more pepper and chili powder. Here I want it, so I'm adding it extra. I have cooked the sweet potato for nearly around few minutes and I made sure that it is cooked properly. And after cooking it properly, I'll be cooling it very well and peeling off the peel from it. Now after doing that, I'll be adding it back to the flour. Here I'm adding back to the flour and I'll be crushing it and mixing it well. And be careful that it will be very hot and there may be steam coming out of the cooked sweet potato pieces, so be sure not to burn your hands. And I'm using only after it gets cooled, so you have to also do the same. After adding the sweet potato, let's mix it well. We have to mix it thoroughly with the dough and the other spices. So here I'll be taking a little bit of sweet potato, then mixing it well, then I'll be taking a little bit more, adding to it and mixing it well. And here I'm completely mixing it well, otherwise the ingredients won't be completely homogeneous, so let's mix it well. Now you can see that my dough became so sticky, and now I can pinch off small pieces and make it into small spears, and each of these spears will be later flattening it and making into paratha. Here I took wheat powder in a small plate, and I'll be taking those small spears of dough and I'll be flattening it on both sides, and I'll be spreading the wheat powder in both sides. It is almost like the preparation of chapati, so we'll be keeping the wheat powder on both sides, then we'll be flattening it. Here I'm using the roll that we usually use to make chapati. You can use a chapati maker also. Here I'm using a chapati making roll, and I'll be flattening it properly. Now let's add oil to a pan and wait for it to heat up. Once it heats up, let's add the paratha one by one to it and prepare it almost like a chapati. The preparation method here is almost similar to chapati, so there is no big difference. You have to keep turning it upside down and cook both sides. So repeat the same, cook on the both sides by turning it upside down many times. So here I am preparing like that. This paratha is tasty and healthy at the same time. It is having sweet potato which is rich in vitamins and minerals, and sweet potato is also a seasonal vegetable, so it won't be available all the time. And this paratha can be used as dinner or breakfast, and it is actually very healthy and good for your body. I hope you like this tasty and healthy paratha recipe. So I'll be uploading more videos like this, so if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please consider giving us a like, and if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.